Welcome to the world of amazing discoveries of Sergey Ziegler. Sergey Ziegler's lunar theory is based on the analysis of the Sumerian planisphere, currently housed in the British Museum in London. The basic concept of the theory is that the planet Phaeton, which was located between Jupiter and Mars, was destroyed after a planetary catastrophe, leaving behind an asteroid belt. The inner core of the planet headed toward the Earth, approached it, after which the future moon entered the orbit of our planet in 3123 BC at an angle of 6 degrees, tearing the only continent into smaller pieces and shifting the planet's axis by about 87 degrees. This theory is supported by the analysis of the Sumerian planisphere, which shows the approaching moon at an angle of 6 degrees, 3123 BC. It is worth noting that it was interpreted incorrectly. This planisphere shows 3123 BC. It correctly shows approaching object, but it is not about an asteroid or meteorite, but about a cosmic body, and not about the fall of this body to the Earth, but its entry into its orbit. Scientists talk a lot about meteorites and asteroids without analyzing or imagining the consequences, at least visual. In the case of an asteroid or meteorite, the appearance of our planet would be completely different. In addition, on Earth there are traces of the gravitational forces of a certain round body. This is an underwater semicircle near the Bering Strait and a semicircle in Tibet, and couple same marks in ocean. Their sizes are absolutely identical, and these are traces of the gravitational effect of the moon entering the orbit of our planet. This is another indisputable proof of the lunar theory. Additional evidence: the myth of ancient Maya of two suns. At that time, the moon was still a burning core reminiscent of the sun. The relief of the craters of the moon confirms that it was a burning core. And when the sun set, the burning moon appeared, and thus there was no night, which is also confirmed by the myths of the Maya. Also, the myth of Phaeton confirms the approach of a burning celestial body to the Earth and a subsequent catastrophe. The myths of the Australian Aborigines confirm the theory by indicating that at first the sun set from north to south and then began to set from east to west, which indicates an axis shift of 87 degrees. The myths of the ancient Maya also say that the moon did not exist before the Great Flood. It became its cause. The lunar theory was proposed by scientist Sergey Ziegler at the beginning of 2022 to the world scientific community. The scientific community did not react to the theory in any way, which indicates a low level of IQ of the modern scientific community and the need to introduce new standards in education, as well as the need to refine educational materials, in particular, in the geography and chronology of the planet and humanity. You can get more detailed information and follow the planetary catastrophe in detail in my book Connecting Points, which can be purchased on my website sergeyziegler.com. Thus, you can support the channel, continue investigations, and qualitatively improve your level of education. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.